In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a HubSpot newsletter that actually converts leads efficiently and effectively. To get started, the first thing you'll want to do is open up HubSpot. Make sure you're logged into your account to access all the necessary features and tools that HubSpot offers. Once you're logged in, your first stop should be the trial guide. This is an incredibly useful resource that contains everything you'll need to kick off the process of building your form. If you're new to HubSpot or just need a refresher, this guide will be your go-to for understanding how to make the most out of the platform's features, especially when creating a newsletter that resonates with your audience. Now, from your homepage, navigate to the CRM. Here, you'll want to select Message Template. This area is crucial as it's where you'll craft the templates for your newsletter, which plays a key role in communicating effectively with your leads. Click on New Template to get started. From here, you will select From Scratch, providing you with a blank canvas to create a newsletter tailored to your specific needs and branding. When you're setting up your new template, you'll first be prompted to enter a name for it. Make sure this name is clear and specific so you can easily identify it later on, especially if you plan to have multiple templates for different purposes or campaigns. Next, you'll need to enter a subject line. Remember that the subject line is one of the first things your recipients will see, so it's important to make it engaging and relevant. A strong subject line can significantly increase your open rates, so take your time to craft something that will catch the eye and spark curiosity. Now, once you have a name and a subject in place, let's focus on the most important part, the body of your newsletter. Here is where you convey your message clearly and engagingly. Think about what will resonate with your audience and what information they will find valuable. Use this space wisely to provide insights, updates, or calls to action that will motivate your leads to engage with your content. Personalization can also go a long way to making your newsletter feel more intimate and relevant to each individual reader. Finally, once you're satisfied with the content of your newsletter template, it's crucial to click Save Template. This step is essential as it ensures that all your hard work is stored safely and can be accessed or modified whenever you need. Saving your template will make it readily available for whenever you're ready to send it out to your network of leads. And that's it. You now know how to set up a HubSpot newsletter that truly has the potential to convert leads. Practice and tweaking over time will allow you to hone your message to perfection. Thank you for joining, and happy campaigning.